Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a Venmo account without phone number. So let's get started. Venmo is like a digital wallet on your phone. So Venmo also uses phone numbers as a primarily identifier for different accounts. It is a good way to link to your identity, and it also ensures your security. It also makes you dependent on having your phone. You can also explore different alternatives. For example, email verification when your phone number is not available. For example, you can also use Venmo for email verification, but this also is not a guaranteed option. It might be available only if you have already signed in using that email. You can also use third-party apps if Venmo isn't an option. They can give you alternative verification methods like your email. You can also use traditional methods to send money, like cash is still a reliable option, although it won't be convenient for larger options. You can also do checks and money orders for high amounts. However, these methods require physical delivery, and it is not ideal in all situations. You can also use banks and ATMs. If you have a bank account, you can use ATMs or online banking to transfer money. This is a secure option, but it is most likely not very fast. The biggest reason for using Venmo is convenience. You can send and receive money instantly. However, it comes with you always having your phone. Losing your phone can also give you some threats. So to answer the question, can you make a Venmo account without a phone number? Well, it is not a standard way, but there might be some ways you can do it. For example, using email verification or exploring alternative apps. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.